Hey people, my name is Juliet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making akara. I have peeled beans, red bell pepper, and crayfish onion. I'm using 2 cups of beans. Please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for watching. And I put a little bit of water. We don't want the akara to be watery, we want it thick like a paste. And I added more beans so I don't have to put water. It's ready. I put grounded pepper, salt, and teaspoon of fish spice. If you don't have hand blender, you can use Garri steak. That's that steak used to turn Garri. Why we do this is to make the akara paste fluffy. In that way, when you fry akara, it doesn't press, it stays how it should be. Here I had to improvise. This thing was everywhere, making a mess. Turn it around so the ones that have not been mixed will mix together. I kept looking for something that would work for me because the mess was getting worse, and I will have to clean. I'll have to clean my kitchen all over again. Yeah, look. To avoid this, buy something like cake mixer. Always what people that make cake use to cover their cake mixer. And let the oil hot, not too hot though, not too hot to the extent of burning the akara. Immediately you put it in the oil. And when you see that it's getting brown, and you flip it around. Because we use hand mixer, that's why the akara is not flat. It remains just the way I've put it in the oil. This is an ideal food for weekend, like Saturday, Sunday. And you can use this with Garri bread. As for me, we'll be using this for bread today. Bread and hot chocolate. And my kids love this food a lot, so I do make it one every other Sunday or Saturday. You continue until the course is finished. Yeah, agege bread. I bought this in one Africa shop closer to where I live, not too close, but when I went in there to buy things, I saw this bread. Immediately took my mind back to Nigeria. And you don't need to have this with Akara or Garri. You can be eating alone. And I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.